Hey, I'm back with a plate spinning tutorial, and guess what? You're gonna need a friend for this, so I've invited my friend. That's Eric.
Hey.
Eric's here. He's here right now. Okay. All right, so we're gonna do this plate spinning tutorial.
Yeah.
What you're gonna need is a plate, a stick, and another stick. We got all of that, so we're gonna get our plate spinning in whichever method we choose. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be throwing the plate from one stick to the other. Amazing. Okay, so the way this works is we're not actually gonna be throwing it to the person. The plate's not actually gonna be moving left or right. What it's gonna be doing is going straight up and down. When the plate leaves my stick leaves. I get it out of the
stick.
See you later, stick. I just, I get it out of the way so Eric's stick can come on in. What's up, Eric's stick?
It's right there.
Now, when the plate is falling, guess what Eric's gonna do? He's going to bring his stick down to catch it. Otherwise, if you don't bring it down, it's likely gonna spin out of control and fall. So don't do that.
No.
Shall we show the trick now?
I think it's time.
It's time, let's do it. Get your plate spinning nice and fast. The faster it's going,
Nice spin.
the faster it's going, the easier this trick is. So here we go, up. Bam! Oh, snap! Eric did it. That's, now he's gone. Thanks, Eric. Oh, shit.
You're welcome.
All right, that's how to, okay, subscribe.